1. Rani Lakshmi bai, born in 1828, was the queen of the Maratha-ruled state of Jhansi in North India, and a prominent figure in the Indian Rebellion of 1857 against British rule. 2. Widowed at a young age, Rani Lakshmi bai educated herself and emerged as a fearless and capable leader. 3. She is often remembered for her role in the siege of Jhansi, where she defended her kingdom against British forces during the Indian Rebellion of 1857. 4. Riding into battle with her young son tied to her back, she became a symbol of courage and maternal strength. 5. Rani Lakshmi bai fought valiantly but succumbed to injuries sustained in battle on June 18, 1858. 6. Her resistance and sacrifice have made her a national hero, and she is commonly referred to as the Rani of Jhansi, or Jhansi Ki Rani. 7. Lakshmi bai's legacy is immortalized in Indian history, and her bravery is celebrated in numerous songs, poems, and folklore. 8. A memorial was erected at Phul Bagh in Gwalior in her honor, commemorating her contributions to India's struggle against colonial rule. 9. Rani Lakshmi bai's life continues to inspire generations of Indians, especially women, to stand up against injustice and tyranny. 10. Her dedication to her people and her unwavering spirit in the face of adversity have left an indelible mark on India's fight for independence.